Hello friends, welcome back to KACC Creator. Friends, we have heard many famous idioms and old sayings on ears. EARS, yes, like lending a good ear, keeping a deaf ear, even walls have ears. Haha. Imagine that. Walls having ears. Thus, ears do hold an important place in literature. So do they in art. When we draw the ear, we should be extra careful about placing it on the right spot and at the correct angle. Where and how is the ear placed then? Good question. The ear is not placed in a vertical line but on a slightly slanting line. It is placed at the outer edge of the jawbone and the angle runs parallel to the length of the nose. That is about the placement. Now for drawing it. It should be drawn perfectly well. That beautifies the face. Then how to draw? Observe your friend's ear. Sketch it and draw it. Observe carefully the curved forms, curved lines and draw. Be careful. Please don't take the ear to be something secondary. Generally, we don't take the ears seriously as we do the eyes. The slipshod drawing of the ear might spoil the fine study of the human head. So, we should be extra careful while placing and drawing the ear. Let's go back to school days. School chale hum. Remember this song? Yes. Let's go to our science class. Here is the diagram of the human ear. If we understand the main parts of this ear, it will be easy for us to draw. Because understanding and drawing with understanding is very important. One, you can see HELIX. It is pronounced as helix. The helix is pronounced as helix, like how you say, there is a little boy, he licks the spoon containing jam. He licks. That is how it is pronounced. The outer folded part here is the helix. Antihelix. Here is the antihelix. It forms a capital Y. The protruding Y shape, which is inside the helix, is the antihelix. Number 3 is TRAGUS, pronounced as TRAY, like tray, gus like bus, tragus. Number 3. What is the function of the tragus? The tragus is a flap which helps dust from entering the ear. It protects the ear from dust and other unwanted particles from entering it. Antitragus 3.1. What is the function of antitragus and what is it? It's a triangular piece of cartilage on the outer ear. Lobule, L-O-B-U-L-E number 4. We call it earlobe. It is a soft, fleshy lower part of the ear. In some it is attached, in some it is detached. Ornaments like earrings are worn in 4 parts, generally on the earlobe, on the helix, both parts here and here also, or maybe throughout. This part, tragus and also antitragus. Women generally, nowadays men also, young boys also wear earrings on these parts. They act like the acupuncture treatment. Same time, it beautifies the face. Number 5 here, the shaded portion is the concha. It acts like a satellite dish to collect and funnel sound waves inward towards the eardrum. It is a deep bowl-shaped hollow in the center of the outer ear auricle that forms the entrance to the ear canal. You can find a canal or a hole going inside. Touch your own ear and see. Found it? Yes. How is it named? It is named so as it resembles a sea conch. Like the conch Panchajanyam of Lord Sri Krishna. That makes it even more divine. This is the structure of the human ear, and this is the shape. You can find it like this is the Y-shaped, capital Y shape. Here it is thinner, here it is wider. You can see. And this resembles a mother and child sort of shape. You can even draw it very easily with 2 circles, one big circle and one small. Leave a gap in between. Accordingly, you can draw. You can have your own idea. The ear differs slightly from people to people, of course. Accordingly, you can change the shape. Now let's learn to draw and render our divine human ear. So friends, we have learned to draw the structure, the shape and render the drawing of our divine human ear. Yes, it's divine. बुरा मत सुनो, अच्छा ही सुनो. So it makes it divine. So friends, let's stop for now. Please don't forget to do the usual exercises like planting a like below this video, hitting the bell button for receiving notifications and subscribing to our channel KACC Creator. And you know why? Take care. Shubha Dinam.